Ma'am, I'm Gopinath, you are 15CS354. I'm going to show the Java's first program. I got the program of the developer program to find a cube root of the given number. For this, I have done this program here. It is that I created a import java util.scanner. It is for getting the input from the user. So I use this package. For that, for extracting that package using this util.scanner, and after that I created a class called cuberoot. So inside the cuberoot, there's a entry point of the function, or at any Java program, the entry point of the class will be this main function only. After that, I created a scanner object which is used to get the values from the users. So, and also I created system.out.println for entering the numbers, and also I create an integer data of a, which will convert the values whatever I giving into strings to integer. And also I create a double data type which is holds the math.cuberoot of a. So it will hold this this thing is given for making the given function into a like cube root. So it is a predefined one, so it is a cbrt, it's a cube root. And also we are going to display that which is the cube root of the given number is +7. Now I'm going to run the program. Enter the number. I'm going to enter the number 8. So the cube root of the given number is 2. And the first second is given as for me the developer program to find the last prime number before the given and enter number. So my prime number, I have to enter the number as 11 to 7 is the last prime number. So I have to show you the output. So this is the code which I did. I created a class called prime number. Inside that there's a main function, and also I created a scanner for getting the input from the users, and also created and also there is a system.out.println for entering the first number, and also there is an integer data type of start s dot next to whatever I giving the first number will be stored in this s, and also the second number will be stored in this end, and also it will display the number of start and end after it is whichever I received. So I given this, and there is a for loop for whichever from start to end. So I forgive it as from start to less than or equal to end. It will keep on incremented till the given value from start to the end values. So I created a if the condition for the if it is a prime number of I means co.println of I, and the public static boolean. I used a boolean function here to check whether it's a prime number or not. So if prime means it will tell if n is less than or equal to 1 means it is written false. So if n is less than or equal to 1 means it will return the false. Otherwise it will go to this loop and check if integer I is equal to 2 or I less than math.square of n. So math.square of n is which we create the n where will make the value, check the value if it is a cube root of n. So if it is cube root of n, it will give the value till I plus 1 from starting to end. In between the values it will give the values as in between that value it will print the values. So if n modulus of I is equal to 0 means it is also true, because if modulus came 0 also it will shows us false only, else it will be true. So now I'm going to run the program. Okay, the first prime number, so I'm going to give us 5, and the second number is the last, so I'm going to give as some 14. So now you can see some 5 to 13, these are the prime numbers which are in between the 5 to 14. Thank you, ma'am.